The Russo-Ukrainian War was the driving force behind Poland's arms purchases. A year ago, the Polish government sent the US side an offer to purchase Apache helicopters manufactured by Boeing. According to the plan, the first of these will be assigned to the 18th Division of the Polish Army. Poland has now been approved to purchase a $12 billion package of multi-purpose attack helicopters in a move announced by the US State Department on August 21st. Accordingly, 96 AH-64E Apache attack helicopters will be delivered to Poland. Previously, the US Army leased 8 AH-64E Apache helicopters to the Polish Army for training purposes. According to the DSCA, Poland has requested to buy attack helicopters with 1,844 Hellfire missiles, 460 AGM-179A Joy air-to-ground missiles, 508 Stinger 92K Block 1 missiles, and 7,650 WGU-59B Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System 2 Guidance Sections rockets. Also added that the proposal will improve Poland's capability to meet current and future threats by providing a credible force that is capable of deterring adversaries and participating in NATO operations. Poland last year decided to purchase American-made Apache armed helicopters to replace its aging fleet. Polish officers announced in January plans to spend 4% of gross domestic product on defense in 2023, more than double NATO's 2% target. The AH-64 Apache helicopter was developed in the 1970s and entered service with the US Army in 1986. The AH-64E variant, formerly known as the AH-64D Block 3, features several improvements on connectivity and information distribution, radar, and more powerful engines than older models. Currently, the Polish Air Force flies 4 Russian rotor models: the Mi-17, Mi-17AE, Mi-17-1V, and the Mi-8MT, all of which Poland procured between 1987 and 1989. The Polish Air Force already inducted 36 F-16C and 12 F-16D units in 2003. The service is also waiting for the delivery of 32 F-35A Lightning II fighter jets due between 2024 and 2023. Poland is not exclusively interested in American platforms. The armed forces have incorporated a diverse range of platforms over the past 2 years. Poland has agreed to induct South Korean K2 Black Panther main battle tanks, and it will produce them in Poland. Similarly, Poland has adopted the British Arrowhead 140 concept for its Magnet frigates, modeled on British TAP 31s. This diversity comes back to the country's plan to become a rising star in Europe's rejuvenating defense industry at a time of intense military build-up. Poland is looking to unset competitors across the continent with its young but growing domestic defense industrial base.